If you're looking to automatically log your hours while you work, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how you can easily set this up using a powerful tool that can save you time and ensure you're staying on track. Stick around until the end for an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, available only for viewers of my channel. Now, if you're tired of manually tracking every hour you work, you're not alone. Whether you're freelancing, managing projects, or just trying to keep tabs on your time, logging hours doesn't have to be a hassle. The software I'll show you automates this process so you can focus more on your work and less on logging time. First, let's talk about the setup. The key to automatically logging hours while you work is using time tracking software that integrates directly with your computer or mobile device. This software runs in the background and tracks your activity without you having to lift a finger. Simply download the software and it will begin recording your time based on the tasks you're working on. When setting up, you'll link the software to your calendar, project management tools, or even task lists. This way, it can detect what you're working on and record the time accordingly. No more wondering where your hours went. And the best part, it logs everything automatically. You don't need to start and stop timers manually. The software does it for you. But it doesn't stop there. The software also provides detailed reports that break down exactly how your time was spent throughout the day, week, or month. You can even categorize time spent on different tasks, making it super easy to see how efficient your workflow is. It also allows you to track billable hours if you're in a client-based business, so you don't miss out on payments for the work you've done. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds like it could get complicated, don't worry. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. Once installed, the software starts working immediately, and you can adjust settings as you go. You can set reminders for when to take breaks, or choose when and how to receive your reports. It's fully customizable to match your working style. And if you're still skeptical, I've tried out several of the most popular time tracking software options. They all work well, but this software stands out for its simplicity and efficiency, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for an easy solution to automatically log your hours while you work. Don't forget, you can get an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so if you want to follow along and start tracking your time right away, be sure to take advantage of it. So what's the key takeaway here? To automatically log your hours while you work, use time tracking software that integrates with your tools and tracks your activity seamlessly. Automating this process frees up your time and gives you more insights into how you're spending your day. Quick recap, download the software, link it to your tools, and let it log your time automatically. It's a quick, easy way to stay on top of your hours without any manual effort. And don't forget, if you want to try the software for free, the exclusive trial is in the description below. You don't want to miss out on that. Thanks for watching.